let small n be a positive integer and capital N, which is generated by small n, be a cyclic group of additive group of integers. So this is a additive group of integers. Show that order of z by n, which consisting only n elements, small n element. Now solution of this: first, this n, which is generated by n, and it is a cyclic subgroup. So cyclic group are always normal. So n is normal subgroup of group Z. So group Z. Now since it is a additive group, so what is the quotient group? So quotient group can be written as set of n, now plus, because it is additive group, r belongs to set of integer. So this is a quotient group of n in Z. So my aim is that the order of this group is small n. So what is Z by n? So this is a quotient group. So it is a quotient group. Now what is my aim? My aim is our claim, that is order of Z by n is equal to small n. It means it has n distinct elements. It has only n distinct elements. So it means we want to show that it has n plus 1, n plus 2 and n plus small n minus 1 are only distinct elements of Z by n. So first there are two steps. One is distinct, second is these are the only right coset of Z by n. So first step number 1, to prove these are distinct. I take any two right coset from them. This is this. So I take n plus I, which is equal to n plus j. So what is ij? Ij less than n, greater than equal to 0. So these are two right coset from these cosets. So I take. So if they are distinct, I would like to prove they are distinct where I is not equal to j. So the I and j are different. So n plus I take any two of them are equal to make the contradiction. This implies. Now I will use the result HA equal to HB, which if and only if AB inverse belongs to H. But here the binary composition is addition, so result will be H plus A, H plus B, if and only if A minus B belongs to H. So from this, I minus J belongs to N. So what is N? N is generated by small n, this values. Since it is under addition, so what is this set? This is a N Q such that Q belongs to Z. So it is a multiple of N. So this is a multiple of N. So it implies if this element belongs to this set, so this element of this kind, so it means I minus J, which is equal to N into R dash, where R dash is some integer. So I write in this way. So what is this? It is multiple of n. If it is multiple of n, then this number n divide I minus j, this. So which is impossible. Why? Because I and j less than n, and similarly I minus j is also less than n, but here n is less than equal to I minus j, so which is impossible. So which is impossible, which is impossible. If it is impossible, why it is impossible? Because I minus j is less than n. Since I minus j is less than n, so it means these two right coset cannot be equal. If these two right coset cannot be equal, then all these right cosets are distinct. So all these right cosets are distinct. So that is my first step. Step number 2, कि these are only right coset. These are only distinct right coset. So step number 2. So I will take any coset and prove that this coset is one of the previous one. Then I take n plus x belongs to z by n. So I take sum. N plus x is one of the member of n plus n. My aim is to prove that it is the one of the member of n, n plus 0, n plus 1, n plus 2 and so on, n plus I minus 1. Now by using division algorithm, what is the division algorithm? If n divide x, if n divide integer x, so this is a quotient, this is a remainder. So what is division algorithm? X is equal to nq plus r, where r is less than this divisor and greater than equal to 0. So this is a division algorithm. So by division algorithm, using division algorithm we write x is equal to n q plus r, where r is less than n and greater than equal to 0, where r is lies between 0 and n. Now q is an integer. Now n plus x, check that this is of what kind? This is of n plus n q plus r, this values. So what is this? This is a n plus n q, this values, plus r. Now this element belongs to n. Why? Because n is multiple of small n. So since nq belongs to capital N, so this will converted as capital N plus R. So this element can be written in this form. Now what is R? R is running from 0 to n minus 1. So when R is 0, it will become n plus 0. When R is 1, so this is n plus 1. When R is 2, so this is n plus 2. And when R is n minus 1, so this is n plus n minus 1. So this member is one of the element of these cosets. So it means these are only right coset of n in Z. So this means these are only right coset of n in Z. So it means order of Z by n, which is equal to small n. So which prove our result. Now next example. So next question is, if G is a group 1 minus 1 iota minus iota. So this is a G group and n I am taking 1 and minus 1. This is a subgroup, and iota we used as minus 1 square root. Show that n is normal subgroup of group G, normal subgroup of group G, number 1, group G. So first n is proof subgroup of group G, and construct a multiplication table of multiplication table of the quotient group G by n. So this is G group, n is normal subgroup. So first I prove that n is normal subgroup, then construct a multiplication table of this. Solution. So normal subgroup is, if n, this n it commute with every element of G. So if it commute with every element of G, now 1 belongs to n. It means n into 1 is equal to n, because A belongs to H. So this means n belongs to 1 equal to this values. Minus 1 belongs to n. It implies n into minus 1 again equal to n. So this prove. Now second, n into 1, it means it is a commute with 1, because similarly 1 into n and similarly minus 1 into n. Now iota n, या n iota, this can be written as iota and minus iota when we multiply by this values. So n iota, which is iota and minus iota. So similarly n minus iota, which is equal to, this first term is minus iota, second is iota, right? So this values. So these are the all member of G by n. So one is n and second is ni, third is ni, they are same, so both are equal. So it implies the member of G by n is only 2. One is n, second is ni, because they are the same. So I will take any one of them. Again these are the same, so I will take only one. So this is a G by n. Now multiplication table. So find the multiplication table. So clearly n is a normal subgroup. So multiplication table can be find out by take n iota at this place, n iota at this place. So this is a multiplication. So n into n, because it is part of this, so it is n. Now n into n iota, so this is n iota, because n into n iota by binary composition, this is n iota. Here same as n iota. Here n iota into n iota, which is n iota square, which is n minus 1. We know that n minus 1 is n. So this is a n. So this is a binary composition of G by n. So n is clearly normal because it commute with every element of G. So this is a binary composition table of our G by n. So in this way we can construct the binary composition tables. Next example is every quotient group of cyclic group is a cyclic. So this is a every quotient group, every quotient group of cyclic group is cyclic. Every quotient group of cyclic group is cyclic. So this is very important. So first, to prove this result, let G be a cyclic group. So let G, which is a generated by A, be a cyclic group. And N is normal subgroup of subgroup of group G, normal subgroup of group G. So my aim is to prove that, so we claim G by N is cyclic, right? It means its member are, it is generated by one of its element. It means we prove that G by N is generated by some NA. It means every element of G by N is power of NA. So let, to prove this, so let Nx, let some element Nx belongs to G by N, then it means X belongs to G, number 1, and G is generated by A, right? So it means X can be written as power of A. This is A for some integer R. For some integer R. Now what is Nx? So Nx can be written as N A raised to power R. So this is A, so on up to A. This can be NA, so on up to NA. So this is a NA raised to power R. So what is this member? This is a power of NA. So every element of G by N is power of NA. So it means G by N has generator NA, generated by this values. So it implies quotient group G by N is a cyclic. So this is a cyclic. So if G is cyclic, then every quotient group of G is again cyclic, right? So which prove our result.